please try to mute yourself. If I call out your name, definitely you have to unmute and give your answers there. Okay, now we have to only recollect, children, what we learned. Okay, based on that, now I'm going to ask the questions. You have to get prepared for your upcoming exam. Okay, now who's ready now? Please, I don't want anyone give your unwanted text there. Please, everyone follow that. No need to do any unwanted text in your chat box. Sabarish Kumar, consider this is your class. Everyone. Okay, from 3C, Vidyut. Vidyut, get ready. Vidyut, get ready. Yes, Vidyut, get my question first. No one send any emoji now. Please stop that. Okay, shall I ask you? Vidyut, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, Vidyut. Okay, give one word for. Okay. Listen my question carefully. The session between winter and summer, what we used to call, given one word answer. One word for that.
Spring.
Yes. Very good. Spring season. Good. Good, Vidyut. Mute yourself. Okay, Udisha. Udisha. Vidyut, please mute Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Udisha. Get Udisha.
Yes.
A long basket. Listen my question. A long basket used to keep arrows.
Quiver.
Quiver. Very good. Please, children, those who know the answers, please you can give your answers in the chat box. Very good.
Quiver.
Very good. Quiver. Very good. Very good. Quiver. Very good, Kana. Please. Very good. Okay. Tanmati. 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 Please, children, get your turn. Tanmati. Yes, Tanmati, listen now. Sound that bounces back and gets repeated. Sound that bounces back and gets repeated. Very good. So give one word for that. Echo. Very good. Yes, very good, Kana. Please mute yourself. I think so. You're not getting proper network. Harshini. Harshini. 3D Harshini. Please, children, you have to wait for your turn, everyone. Yes, Harshini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Listen my question now. A group of people who do things together. A group of people who do things together. Very good, Adrit. Very good, Avinish. Now you are going to write your exam, isn't it? You have to be well prepared in that. What happened, Ma? Band. What is that? Group of people we used to call band. Yes, good. What is the speller? The band.
Spell panna. Band.
As
B-A-N-D.
D. Band. Good. Mute yourself. Okay, Aparna. 3D Aparna. 3D Aparna.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aparna. Listen my question now.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have to give the meanings. I'll give you one word. You have to find the meaning for that.
Okay.
Okay. Curious. Curious.
Very angry.
Very angry. What it shows? Very angry. So what does it mean? Very angry? So
Very angry
what does it
means
mean?
furious.
Curious. Very good, Aparna. Very good. Good.
Thank
Very
you,
good, Kana.
ma'am.
Very good, Kana. Mute yourself. Yoshna. 3C Yoshna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yoshna. Terrible.
Yes.
What is the meaning for terrible? Yes.
Very unpleasant.
Very unpleasant. If it is pleasant? Yes. Yes. So very unpleasant. In the sense that is not in the pleasant mood, isn't it? So that
Yes,
is called terrible. Terrible. Very
Yes.
good, Yoshna. Very good, Yoshna. Mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rukshant. 3D Rukshant. Rukshant. Please, children, as soon as get your name, please unmute your video and respond me. Rukshant. Yes, Rukshant. Rukshant, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, Rukshant. Ma'am. Rukshant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Rukshant, get my question now. Adventure. Adventure.
Adventure.
What is that? Meaning for adventure. What does it mean? What does it mean, Kanna? Okay, listen. I'll call anyone. You just mute yourself and listen. Again, I'll call you. You have to unmute and give your answers. Rishwant. Rishwant, 3D Rishwant.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Can you give the meaning for adventure? Adventure.
An unpleasant and exciting trip.
An unusual and exciting trip. Because that is work out from your where that you are. You have to go and see adventures out of your place, isn't it? So that shows unusual and exciting trip.
Unusual and exciting trip.
Is called an unusual and exciting trip called adventure.
Adventure.
Okay. Very good. Mute yourself. Very good, ma. Mute yourself. Okay, Harini, 3C Harini. 3C Harini. Harini? Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Listen now. Defend. Defend. What is the meaning for defend? Good. Adrit, good. Defend means what? We have to protect ourselves by defend. How? So what does it mean defend? Harini, do you know, dear? Harini?
No, ma'am.
Okay, dear, no issues. I'll call someone. You just get that one. Okay, Harini, please mute yourself, Harini. Okay, Mirlalini. Mirnalini, 3C Mirnalini. Mirnalini, please unmute yourself. Unmute your audio. Get my question and give your answer there. Come soon. Or Kavinaya, Kavinaya, 3C Kavinaya. Please, children, we are testing your listening skill also, because if you listen well, definitely as soon as get your name, you have to unmute and give your answer. Please, Ma Kavinaya, are you there? Adarsh, please mute. Yes, Megha. Adarsh, mute yourself. Megha Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Megha Karthikeyan. Jai Gurudev.
ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Kana. Okay, get my question for her. Okay, now you have to give the opposites word. Okay? Opposites. You have to give your opposites. If I give the word there. Wide. Wide.
Wide, narrow.
Very good. Can you give one more? Narrow. Very good. Wait, Kana. Strong. Strong. Weak. Can you spell out? Weak.
W-E-A-K.
Very good. Narrow.
Narrow.
Spell out.
N-A-R-R-O-W.
Good. Good, good. Good, ma. Mute yourself. Sahitya. 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 Sahitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Sahitya. Okay, opposite for deep.
What, ma'am?
Deep, deep. Deep. Opposite for deep.
Shallow.
Shallow. Good. Spell out shallow.
SHALLOW.
Shallow. Very good. Excellent. Okay, Sabarish Kumar, mute yourself.
Thank you,
Sabarish
ma'am.
Kumar. Sabarish Kumar.
Yes.
Next, Dhanwant, get ready. Yes, Sabarish Kumar. Give the opposite for restless. 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 Sabarish Kumar.
Yes.
Dhanwant. Okay, Sabarish Kumar. Give the opposite for restless. Restless. Answers in the chat box, Sabarish Kumar. Yes, give your answer. Do you know or not? Restless.
Calm.
Opposite for restless means opposite. I'm asking restless, comfortable, calm, comfortable. If you feel more comfort in one place, so that gives you more comfort to stand there itself. That is comfortable compared to the restless. Very good. Okay, the Dhanwant. 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 Dhanwant, mute yourself. Okay, Ashwant. Ashwant. 3C Ashwant. Yes, Ashwant. Opposite for little. Little. More. Okay. If I ask you, huge.
Gorilla, ma'am.
Okay. You say little more. That's correct only. Okay. Big. Big. What is opposite for big? Small. Tall. Tall. Ashwin. Short. Good. Tall. White. What is the opposite for white? White. Black. Very good. Black. Very good. Mute yourself, Ashwin. Thank you, dear. Mute yourself. Janani. Janani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Janani. Now you are going to give the past tense. Okay. Now I'm going to allow the word. You have to give the past tense. Fight. Fight.
Fought.
Fought. Fight. Fought. What spell for the fought? Spell out.
FOUGHT.
Fought. Very good. Very good. Mute yourself, Kanna. Gokul. 3C Gokul. 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 Please, can you come for Gokul? Okay. Sana. Sana. Yes, Sana. Okay. Give the persons for no. No. KNOW. No. Gokul. Okay, Gokul. Get that one. KNOW. No. Past tense. What is the past tense for no? KNOW. Gokul. Huh?
Now.
Not now. New. KNEW. No. New. You have to pronounce like new. KNEW. Okay. Now mute yourself. Saumya. Saumya. Hey Saumya, get my question now. Answer the following. Answer the following, Saumya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What would Robin Hood do to make his day more interesting?
Robin Hood would take his bow and arrows and go into the forest for search of adventure to make his day more interesting and better.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, in that I need a spelling for interesting. Interesting.
INTR
Very good.
EST interest.
Interesting. I-N-T-E-R-E-S.
G.
Ting. I-N-G. T-I-N-G. Very good. Very good. Kanna, mute yourself. Adrit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Adrit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, get my question now. Answer the following. What clever answer did Robin Hood give to show that he had not been defeated?
When Robin Hood tumbled into the water, he told the stranger that he was swimming with the tide and he was a brave man.
That he was a brave man. Very good. Very good. Tumble. Spell out the tumbled.
T-U-M-B-L-E.
T-U-M-B-L-E-D. Tumbled. Very good. Very good, ma. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Who's next one? Yalini?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yalini?
ma'am, the link, ma'am.
Aishwarya, who's asking the link now? Aishwarya? I'll send that one.
Okay,
Okay, Aishwarya, now can you please come now? Aishwarya? Get my question, give the answer for that. Get my question, give the answer for that.
Yes,
Describe Little John. Describe Little John.
right. Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Describe Little John. How to describe his physical features?
Little John, it is a grip, ma'am.
Huh? Describe about the person. How was Little John?
Who's Little John?
Don't know? Okay, listen, Aishwarya, mute yourself. We'll get from Avinesh. Avinesh? 3D Avinesh? Yes, Avinesh. Can you give the answer for describe Little John? How will you describe the person Little John?
Little John was a very tall, big and a strong man. He
Very
was
good.
kind-hearted and helpful. He was a
Very
great
good.
friend of Robin Hood and was taken to him in command of band merrymen.
Man? Merry man. Very good. Okay, in that, who's the strong man? Who's strong man? Tell me, dear.
Ma'am,
Please
can't
tell
hear
me.
you.
Who's strong man? Who's strong there? Little John is big and a strong man, isn't it? Little John was so named because he was very tiny.
Ma'am, your voice is so low, ma'am.
Children, am I audible for you? I need your answers in the chat box. Everyone,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible? Am I audible
No,
for you?
ma'am.
Am I audible for you? I'm asking. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Audible, ma'am.
Loshini, please, Kana. Yes, thank you, Divya ma'am. Loshini, please, Kana, check your network now. Okay, please mute yourself, dear everyone. Okay, mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, now.
Ma'am,
the
your
next-
voice is so low.
I think so. Most of they are saying, I'm clear for them, dear. Okay, Samrita. 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 Okay, Samrita, tell me, what is a sentence? Sentence. Define sentence. Sentence.
Subject,
Very good.
predicate,
Okay, how will you describe about sentence? What is sentence? I'm asking. What is a sentence? What is a sentence? Okay, I'll ask someone who's ready, who know well. Sentence. Vishnu Priya.
collection of
Very good. Udisha, Vishnu Priya, tell me.
collection of words start with capital letter and end with full stop.
Very good. Sentence is a group of words. The subject is the main person in that. Okay. Think the sentence is about. The predicate tells you what the subject is doing. Now I'm going to ask only one sentence. In that you are going to tell me which one is the subject, which one is the predicate. The simple one. Okay, simple one. Okay, now I'm going to call Vishnu Priya. Vishnu Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I ask you?
Okay,
Vishnu?
ma'am.
Okay, now you have to find which one is the subject, which one is the predicate. Okay, he reads the book. He reads the book. Now tell me about subject as well as predicate. He reads the book. Very good. Some of you are giving answers in the chat box.
Reading.
He reads. See, listen, children. I'm asking that which one is the subject? What is the subject in that one? He reads the book.
The books.
So reads the book is what? What the subject is doing there. Predicate tells you what subject is doing. So here subject is, who is subject there? He, the boy.
The
He, is it?
boy is reading the book.
So here he represents subject. Reads the book. So that shows predicate. That means predicate tells you what the subject is doing. Are you clear? What does that mean, that subject and predicate? Children, are you clear about?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can I
Clear
mute
is
yourself?
ma'am.
Clear. Okay, very good. I'll call someone. Gunapriyan. 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 Raghavarshini. Please, children, you have to respond because you are there. Yes, Raghavarshini. Okay, again, I'm going to ask you which one is the get my sentence now. You have to give me the which one is the predicate, which one is the subject. Okay, Raghavarshini. Okay, listen carefully. Listen carefully, Kana. He reads the book in the park on Tuesdays. He reads the book in the park on Tuesdays. Raghavarshini. Yes. Which one is the subject in that one? Very good, Akash. Very good, Udisha. Not only book. You have, because what I said, sentence is a group of words. Group of words, okay? In this sentence, if you see, more words are there, isn't it? So that shows he is always the subject in the sentence. Remaining part, he reads the book in the park on Tuesdays. So you just leave he is a subject. So remaining part, reads the book in the park.
Book is
Reads. That means remaining part. Remaining part means reads the book in the park on Tuesdays. Okay, these are things are predicate. Okay, subject is nothing else, is the main person or main thing the sentence is about. The predicate tells you what the subject is doing. That's all. Simple sentence is that. Okay, very good, children. Okay, now final one, I'm going to touch that grammar part in the sense interjection. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
book is a predicate, ma'am.
Okay. He is the subject, book is a predicate. Okay. Leave that one. Okay, Kana? Okay. Can you give some sort of examples for the interjection? Interjection, who's ready now? Muttulakiya. Interjection. Very good. Wow. Very good. Muttulakiya, get my, what is the interjection? What is interjection? Oh, wow. Hooray. Loss. Ouch. Oops. These are the interjections. Just indicate what? That is a word that expresses a strong emotion. It expresses the emotion of joy, sorrow, excitement, wonder, surprise. pain, sadness, happiness, and so on. Isn't it? So after that interjection, what punctuation should come there? What punctuation should carry that after interjection? Very good. Exclamatory mark. Very good, children. Exclamatory. Isn't it? Suppose, who's ready to give that? Any one example for that? Hasini, 3C Hasini.
Yes, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Hasini. Give me one example for that interjection.
Jai Gurudev, welcome, ma'am.
Please, ma.
Ma'am.
Interjection. One example for that.
Ma'am, wow.
Wow. Very good. Wow. What a beautiful card. Okay, please children, mute yourself, everyone. I'll give that one. Wow, what's a beautiful card. So that is the emotion of surprise, isn't it? Hooray, we won the game. So that is the emotion of joy. Ouch, it hurts. Means that is the emotion of pain. Ah, I forgot to bring my purse. Oh,
It's hurted.
yes, my egg is hurted. Very good. That is also you can say that one. But after that word, interjection, you have to give the exclamatory mark. Don't forget. You have to always remember that. Ouch. Very good. So how should try? Ouch, it hurts. So that is the emotion of your pain. Ah, I forgot to bring my purse, book. Everything that you can say, that is the emotion of sorrow. Suppose for the surprise or for the sorrow, you can say, alas, I failed the exam. Yes, very good. You are giving the correct answers in that. Very good. You are giving the example for that. Very good, children. Then, hooray, we won the game. We won the prize. So that is the emotion of joy.
Wow.
Interjection. Wow. Interjection is a word that expresses a strong emotion. Okay, children, are you clear about that? It expresses the
ma'am.
emotion of joy, sorrow, excitement, wonder, pain. That means wonder of pain, maybe surprise, sadness, happiness, and so on. So we have to always follow that after the interjection. Definitely we have to give the exclamatory mark. The punctuation we used to read, isn't it? What does it mean, the punctuation? Punctuation is a very important aspect of writing. Correct punctuation is the sign of good writing. Incorrect punctuation, that is the sign of weak writing, a carelessness. So, but this sort of things is definitely avoidable. So, definitely we have to follow with correct punctuation. If you, with correct punctuation of your writing, that is the sign of good writing. So we have to maintain that, children, okay? Because punctuation is a quite simple. If you follow, that will talk much more, isn't it? So punctuation is a part of what makes our meaning clear. When we write incorrect punctuation, can change the meaning of a sentence whole. Okay, children, now get ready for your test. Shall we move now? Everyone? Everyone get ready for your test now. Very good.
Ma'am, I'm Raghavarshini. I'm tell correct, ma'am.
Wait, Raghavarshini.
Can you send link?
Yes, I'm going to send that. Yes, now I pasted the link now, children. Can you continue with that? Please, children. Able to open? Is it able to open for you?
Yes, ma'am, it's opening.
Yes, very good. Try to do that one. So without fail, you have to start with your name, followed by
Okay, ma'am.
class. It is C or D. According to your class, you have to give the A's. Choose the correct synonyms. The first one they've given there. Beneath. So how to get to know that what is the meaning of beneath?
Ma'am, it's loading, ma'am.
Just wait for Lashini. Because maybe poor network, it takes time for you. No issues. We'll send the link in your respective Telegram group. Okay, okay, the second one, astonished. So is that active or amazed? The third one, temper. Temper. Options are anger or truthful. So you have to give the answers according to the correct. Right? Then restless. Then dart. Shall we move to the next one? Choose the correct opposites. Wide. The second one, brave. Brave. Third one, thick. Fourth one, defend. Fifth one, interesting. Shall we move for the third one? Give one word for. A group of people who do things together. The options are band, where, or together. Loshini, please mute yourself, Loshini. Mute your audio. Kana. Second one, the season between winter and summer. The season between winter and summer. Options are spring, autumn. Third one, the long basket used to keep arrows. We have already discussed, isn't it? So, you know well, better you have to give a correct answer. Yes, echo and word. Fourth one, a small musical instrument like a trumpet or whistle or bugle on. So what is that name of that musical instrument like a trumpet? So better you can give your answers in that. The fifth one, sound that bounces back and gets repeated. Sound that bounces back and gets repeated. The vibration or echo. Okay. Fifth one, sorry, Roman number 4. Look at the picture and answer the following. Note for questions 2 and 5. more than one options can be selected and marks will be given only if all the correct statements are selected. Just go on. Just see the picture. Based on that only questions are following. Which is appropriate for that, you have to give this. Robin Hood took his dash and went to the forest.
I'm finished, ma'am. Stella, ma'am, you are not audible.
Now,
Ma'am, louder, ma'am. Stella, ma'am, little bit louder.
now